The new rules could also dramatically cut the number of legal immigrants allowed in the U.S. KPIX 5's and Makovec has more on the possible implications. Ann?
The details of this program and how it will affect people has yet to be seen, but it will likely make it more difficult for low-income immigrants to come to or stay in the U.S. At Alameda County's food bank, they say they've been worried this rule was coming since President Trump took office.
This policy intentionally is going to increase hunger in our community for thousands of families.
The rule means many green card and visa applicants could be turned down if they have low incomes and have used government benefits. The acting U.S. Citizenship and Immigration Services Director says that has one purpose:
to objectively determine whether an applicant is likely at any time in the future to receive public benefits above the designated threshold.
The rule is an expansion of a Clinton-era law used to classify immigrants dependent on the government for support. If enacted, it would require caseworkers to consider how much green card applicants benefit from government housing, food stamps, and medical welfare programs. Food banks like this one are not included in this rule, but they're afraid they'll bear the brunt by taking on the needs of those who are nervous about government programs.
If a substantial percentage of those individuals and families, young children, are going hungry and turning to the food bank because they are afraid to go to the government because of this kind of policy, that is going to be a huge impact on this organization.
And no one knows what's next.
This does not substitute for congressional action in other areas.
When asked if this unfairly targets low-income immigrants, the acting services director says people have to be able to stand on their own 2 feet. In Oakland, Ann Makovec, KPIX 5.
California Senator and Democratic presidential hopeful Kamala Harris is also weighing in today on President Trump's new green card rules.
Well, it's just an ongoing campaign of his to vilify a whole group of people, to, as he does with so many things, be ignorant about the history of our country, who we are, how we were founded, and what our values are.